Hi, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We have a lot of dry rot going on here at a porch that is waterproofed, and unfortunately there was ponding and puddling water for years here. What you have is you've got rot at the bottom of this column. You can see the amount of rot here. It's all in the wall framing over here. It's completely rotted. Over here on this post, kind of hard to see the extent of it, but you can see this whole thing is floating and moving because it's all totally rot in here. It's sopping wet. And the same thing over here on this corner, and the same thing over here in this corner. So these columns are going to all have to be opened up, reframed, and the framing underneath the front porch here is completely gone, and we're going to have to open up the back side of this wall here in order to get at all of the rotted wall framing, and then all this will have to get put back together again. Okay, so this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, and we'll keep you posted as we go through this. Thank you.